Imagine waking up every morning feeling refreshed, focused, and full of energy. No more endless snooze button battles, no more dragging yourself through the day. What if you could reset your sleep schedule in just 7 days and unlock your deep sleep? Yes, 7 days, using science-backed strategies that work for anyone, anywhere, anytime. Stay with me because by the end of this video, you'll have a complete blueprint to break free from sleeplessness forever. Welcome to Find Clarity with Kuduru, your daily training ground for mental fitness. Here we share actionable strategies and deep insights to help you build resilience, positivity, and peak mental performance. And today, we're tackling a foundation of mental clarity: quality sleep. If you're tired of tossing and turning, struggling to get up in the morning, or just feeling foggy all day, this video is for you, no matter your age, job, situation, or where you live. We're here to educate, motivate, and inspire you to break the cycle of sleeplessness and rediscover what true sleep feels like. Let's get real. Sleep problems aren't just a nuisance. They're a global epidemic. Over 70 million people struggle with sleep disorders, and that number keeps rising every day. That is scary, huh? Causes: blue light from screens confuses your brain's clock. Irregular sleep and wake times throw off your circadian rhythm. Stress, anxiety, and even your bedroom environment can sabotage your rest. Symptoms and effects: trouble falling or staying asleep, daytime fatigue, irritability, brain fog, weakened immunity, increased cravings, and even higher risk of chronic illness. Quick check. Have you ever caught yourself scrolling on TikTok or Instagram at midnight, promising yourself just 5 more minutes, and suddenly before you realize it, it's 2 a.m.? Drop a sleeping face emoji in the comment box if that's you. Day 1. Light is your secret weapon. Why? Your body's clock is set by light. What to do? Right after waking up, get 15 minutes of sunlight or use a bright lamp. Night, dim your lights 3 hours before bed, use blue light blockers, and avoid screens. Pro tip: try a sunset simulator app to ease into darkness. Light is the most powerful signal for your brain's sleep-wake cycle, Dr. Matthew Walker said. Day 2. Gradual shift, not a shock. Why? Big changes fail, small steps stick. What to do? Move your bedtime and wake time 30 minutes earlier than yesterday. Stick to it, no catching up on sleep-ins. For example, if you slept at 2 a.m. yesterday, tonight aim for 1:30 a.m. Consistency is king, your body craves routine. Day 3. Transform your sleep cave. Why? Your environment can make or break your sleep. What to do? Set your room temperature to 65 to 68 degrees Fahrenheit, 18 to 20 degrees Celsius. Use blackout curtains or an eye mask. Block out noise with earplugs or white noise. Tip: cover up any small LED lights. Yes, even those pesky charger dots. Your bedroom should be a cave, cool, dark, and quiet. Day 4. Build a wind-down ritual. Why? Your brain needs a signal that sleep is coming. What to do? 1 hour before bed, start a calming routine, gentle stretching. Reading, not on a screen. It could be a paper. Journaling 3 things you're grateful for. 4-7-8 breathing. Inhale for 4 seconds, hold for 7 seconds, exhale for 8 seconds. Repeat this 4 times. Consistency, same activities, same order, every night. What's your favorite way to relax before bed? Share below, and let's see what you've got. Day 5. Master caffeine and meal timing. Why? Caffeine and late meals keep your brain wired. What to do? No caffeine after 2 p.m. Eat your last meal at least 3 hours before bed. Bonus tip: sip herbal teas like chamomile or valerian root or peppermint in the afternoon. Caffeine has a half-life of 5 to 7 hours. Don't let it sabotage your sleep. Day 6. Mindset and stress reset. Why? Racing thoughts are a top sleep killer. What to do? Practice a 5-minute mindfulness meditation before bed. Write down tomorrow's worries, random thoughts, and park them on paper. Getting it out on paper gets it out of your head. It's like closing all the open tabs on your brain's browser. Example: Try apps like Calm or Insight Timer for guided meditations. You can't control your first thought, but you can choose your second. Day 7. Lock it in and celebrate progress. Why? The final step is all about cementing your new routine. What to do? Stick to your new sleep and wake times, even on weekends. You heard that right. Reflect. How do you feel compared to day 1? Celebrate small wins. Better mood? More energy? Less brain fog? Drop a sun with a face emoji in the comments if you're already feeling the difference. Still struggling? Avoid naps after 2 p.m. Get moving. Exercise boosts sleep quality. If insomnia persists, consider cognitive behavioral therapy for insomnia, CBTI. It's the gold standard. Remember, progress beats perfection. One bad night doesn't erase your gains. Let's recap. You've learned how to harness light, shift your routine gradually, optimize your environment, build a powerful wind-down ritual, master caffeine and meal timing, reset your mindset, and lock in lasting change. All in just 7 days. You did it. You've just given yourself the greatest gift, the foundation for restful sleep and energized days. This isn't a finish line, it's a new beginning. Number 1. Commit. Tell me in the comment section what's your biggest sleep struggle right now, or if you've tried the 7-day reset, what has changed for you? Typing it out makes it real. Type it in the comment section. Your accountability can inspire someone else. Number 2. Share. Who in your life needs to see this? Share this video with them. Be the person who helps them find clarity. Number 3. Subscribe. If this video brought you value, hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell. Every week we're here to help you find more clarity and take back control of your life. And as a teaser for next week, what if I told you there's one 5-minute morning habit that can dramatically reduce your anxiety all day? We're talking about that in another video. Remember, a well-rested you is a more focused, more patient, and more powerful you. You've got this. I believe in you. Until next time, this is Kuduru, helping you find your clarity. Sleep well. Thank you for watching.